The cows. Not a minute. I told her to! That'd be scary to drive by.
Yeah.
Time to get here, it's gonna be gone. No, don't stop. Stay away.
What the hell is that person doing?
Jesus.
I think I'd be getting it. Oh.
Yeah, why are you stopped? You're gonna run right into that
That's
other
pretty
vehicle.
retarded.
What are they doing?
I don't know what they're doing.
They're gonna make this a 2 for show.
Yeah, it's gonna blow up and catch the other one. Go away!
They better get away from that.
I think those are the tires blowing out.
Yeah, because the fire truck comes down there, they're going to have to get in there. What's that ignoramus is doing?
Yeah, there are no salvageable parts on that truck now.
No way. 20 minutes and they're still not here.
I know, I can't believe. Did anybody else call the fire department?
I tried to call, but I couldn't go through.
Did you hit 911?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder why it didn't go through.
I don't know. It wouldn't.
Well, if you can call out, you should be able to get them.